This is an announcement from the government of the United States of America. Please listen to the following information as it is crucial for your survival at this time. At approximately 6:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, an unusual occurrence was reported in Times Square in New York City, New York. The report goes as follows. A distressed individual was sighted scratching and biting at passers-by. This individual was extremely fast and agile. Those who were bitten or scratched showed the same tendencies and abilities within a 2-minute span. Due to pop culture and media references, scientists have made the closest conclusion as to what these hostile creatures resemble the most. The following information may be extremely frightening. The scientists at the World Health Organization in Maine have confirmed that the individuals affected are no longer human, but are now effectively considered real-life vampires. This is an extinction-level event. Please listen to the following information to keep yourself and others around you alive. 1. Do not go outside at night. 2. Do not make any noise above 35 decibels within an enclosed space or above 15 decibels outside an enclosed space, as these creatures have hypersensitive ear muscles that are almost supernatural in nature. 3. Do not answer those outdoors seeking asylum. 4. Do not welcome anyone inside through verbal consent. 5. Do not panic. Remember, these creatures will not enter your place of residence unless given consent. We realize this information is reality-altering and frightening. We recommend using effective coping mechanisms and skills to keep you and those around you safe. Additional information: the amount of individuals that have become vampires has increased exponentially within the hour. The amount of individuals that have turned is estimated to be over 500,000 at this time. Please listen to the information stated above to ensure yourself and others' survival. Stay tuned to local media outlets, online news sources, or NOAA Weather Radio for the latest information regarding this extinction-level event.